Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find a user ID in Salesforce with a step-by-step guide that's simple and easy to follow. If you've ever felt lost navigating Salesforce, especially when tracking down specific details like a user ID, this tutorial will make it effortless. First, let's locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Advanced Setup. This is a crucial step because it opens up detailed configuration options that aren't immediately visible in the main interface. Once you're in Advanced Setup, head over to the Quick Find box. This search tool is incredibly useful for locating settings or pages without scrolling through multiple menus. Type users into the box. As you type, the list will narrow down, saving you time. Click on the Users option that appears under the section. Now you'll see a list of all users in your Salesforce account. Your goal is to locate the specific user whose ID you need. Carefully scroll through and click on their full name. This will take you to their user detail page, which contains information like role, profile, and other specifics. Here's the key part. Look at the URL at the top of your browser. It might seem unusual, but Salesforce includes the user ID right there. Within the URL, find the 15-character identifier starting with 005. That sequence is the user ID you've been looking for. Copy it, write it down, or use it as needed. It's your shortcut to accessing important Salesforce information. And that's it. A fast, reliable way to find any user ID in Salesforce. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these steps will save you time and make your workflow much smoother. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our channel for more Salesforce tips, tricks, and tutorials that help you get things done smarter and faster.